Hey everyone, today we're just going to go over basic math in a spreadsheet. So, the way you should think about a spreadsheet is that it's more or less a calculator. It's usually used for accounting, it's like super powerful in that regard. We're just using it because it looks like a table in a matter of like for programming. That's what I'm trying to get at. So, here I've got like basically how to do some different variables, some different like adding, subtracting, all that sort of stuff. So easiest thing to do is if you want to add something up, create a formula. This cell plus this cell equals 7. Same thing for minus equals this cell minus this cell. Very easy. Then you got some formulas. So sum would be equal sum and whatever cells you want, and it will just add them up. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Count, on the other hand, counts how many things there are. So equals from the same thing. We'll count. There's 1, 2, 3 things to count here. You can times things. So using this little asterisk, you can go equals 1 times 2 times 3 equals 6. Same thing with divide. That's just a forward slash. Easy. You can use average equals average and then select a function. We can use finding the smallest variable in something. So the minimum and the maximum. So equals min, smallest value, and then we're going to go equals max. Oop. And choose that. Now we're going to copy this down. And we can see the smallest value is 1, largest value is 3. So these are real basic like things that you can just add to the spreadsheet, but are pretty useful. What if we're trying to find the lowest estimated 1RM in a program? What if we're trying to find the highest? What if we're trying to times a max by a percentage? We'll use this. What if we're trying to see how many times someone does something in a program? You use count. What if you're trying to do tonnage? You'd use sum. Having these in your repertoire just enables things to be a lot easier. Another one is percentages. So over here I've got percentage. So what we've got two ways of going about it. I actually don't like changing the format of things. I like just making them in the automatic sense. What do I mean by that? So what is 35% of 50? Sorry. What is 35 into 50 as a percentage? Well, it's 70%. But I like to time, which would just be 35 over 50. But I like to times it by 100, so it equals 70. Another way of going about it is deleting the times 100, having your percentage, going to format, number, and then go to percent. Now it says 70%. So we can put these into whatever format that we think is useful. Scientific notation, probably not going to use that. But plain text, probably use that. So you can decide how you like to see it and what you like to do. I personally like to keep things in pretty much all plain text or automatic values, so I know what's happening and I know what format it's going to be in once I do stuff. So this is the basic formulas and how to use them, but keeping in mind that you have options. Having things in numbers, you have a big ability to like have variable like formulas and stuff in there. Let's just see, like if I go to insert function and we go to math, look how many options there are. You're not going to use any of these, but there's so many different things that you could do. So keep things as numbers, use basic math, you're going to have a good time. All right, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.